Hey medical fans, take a look at this unusual picture. But what is it? We're hoping that you guys can help figure it out. The title is called CO2 laser, which is an instrument that can be used to resurface the skin to get rid of scars and to remove hair. So let's take a look at some clips of laser resurfacing. So it doesn't seem to look like that. Maybe the title is wrong and it's something else. Let's take a look at some hair transplant clips. It's somewhat similar, but not close enough. So it's either a procedure we don't know about, or perhaps a medical accident of some kind. If you know what it is, tell us in the comments, and feel free to throw out your guesses as well. Bonus time. Do you think this image is a trigger for trypophobia? Take a look at some other images and see what you think. Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching. I hope we can figure this out and give you an update in the future. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.
For months now, I've had trouble sleeping. I wake up every few hours, I get up early in the morning, I'm exhausted for the rest of the day. I didn't know what to do about it, so I tried some Rest More. And just after a couple weeks, I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.